how to build a website with 10 Web AI Website Builder. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a professional looking website using 10 Web AI Website Builder, one of the easiest and fastest tools available for beginners and pros alike. So, if you've ever wanted to create a website without touching a single line of code, or if you're tired of complicated website builders that take forever to learn, then this video is for you. We're going to explore how 10 Web's AI works to generate a fully functional site in just a few minutes, all by simply answering a few questions about your business or project. We'll start from scratch, go step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll have a live website up and running ready to share with the world. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. This is a smart approach, especially considering that over 43% of all websites globally are built on WordPress, including those of major companies and brands. The AI tool we're focusing on today is called 10 Web. 10 Web offers a variety of powerful features right from their homepage that make it stand out among AI website builders. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to recreate an existing website, 10 Web makes the process seamless and efficient. One of the standout benefits is that they offer hosting on high-performance servers powered by Google Cloud, which ensures speed, reliability, and scalability for your site. In addition to that, 10 Web provides built-in tools for optimizing your website's page speed and core web vitals, two crucial elements that affect how your website ranks on Google. With the increasing emphasis on speed and performance in search engine algorithms, having a platform that helps you tackle these technical challenges out of the box is a big win. Now, once you land on their homepage, you'll see the option to get started for free. That can be very appealing, especially if you're just exploring your options. But here's something to keep in mind. Although the platform does let you begin without any upfront payment, many of the core features are locked until you enter your card details. This includes access to the full range of customization tools and publishing options, so it's better to be aware of that before diving in. Before we move on to building the site, let me quickly break down their pricing structure so you can choose the plan that's best for your needs. 10 Web currently offers three main plans: Business Plan, E-commerce Plan, Agency Plan. If you're looking to run a single website, whether it's a blog, a business site, or a personal portfolio, the Business Plan will likely be the most suitable option. It gives you access to all the essential features you need to build and maintain a professional website. Now, if you're planning to sell products online, the e-commerce plan is tailored just for you. It includes e-commerce specific functionalities like online store management, product listings, payment integration, and more. For those who work as professional developers, designers, or digital marketers handling multiple websites, either for clients or personal projects, the agency plan is the most cost-effective choice. It's built to support bulk website management and gives you better pricing when managing 3 or more sites, making it ideal for freelancers or agencies. One thing to note, the prices displayed on their website are usually the discounted rates for annual billing. So if you choose to pay on a monthly basis, you'll end up paying the standard higher price. That's why most users go for the yearly plan, not just for the cost savings, but also for the peace of mind that comes with long-term hosting. Another advantage of 10 Web is their transparent pricing. Unlike many other hosting platforms, there are no hidden charges or renewal surprises. The amount you pay during sign-up is the same amount you'll be charged when it's time to renew, which is great for budgeting and long-term planning. So with that overview out of the way, let's now move ahead and take a closer look at how you can use 10 Web's AI Builder to create a professional website quickly and with minimal effort. One great thing about 10 Web is transparency. Unlike many hosting platforms, there are no hidden fees. What you see is what you'll continue paying even at renewal time, which is a big plus. From here, you'll see three main options: migrate an existing website, start from scratch, or use AI to build one for you. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and use the AI-powered website builder by clicking on this option right here. So, let's go ahead and click on the Proceed button right here. Once you do that, a new page will appear on your screen. This is where the magic begins. Now, what you need to do here is enter the name of your website in the first field. This could be your business name, brand, or anything else that represents what your site is about. Next, you'll be asked to write a short description of your website. Try to be as clear and detailed as possible. For example, explain what your business does, who your target audience is, and what kind of services or content you plan to offer. This description helps the 10Web AI Builder understand your vision and generate a layout that matches your business goals and audience. Think of it as giving the AI a mental image of the site you're trying to create. Once you've filled out both fields, go ahead and click on the Generate button. Now, you'll see a message pop up saying that 10Web is analyzing your input to craft the perfect website for you. This process only takes a few seconds, but what it's doing behind the scenes is pretty powerful. The AI is selecting layouts, placing demo content, and even suggesting page structure, all based on your answers. This is one of the reasons why 10Web AI Website Builder is such a game changer in 2024. It offers a fast, efficient, and intelligent way to create a fully functional website, whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator. Once the generation process is complete, you'll be taken to your automatically built website. Here's what the layout looks like. You'll see a preview of your new site, already filled with placeholder content and a clean design. On the right side of the screen, you'll find the site info section. This is where you can update your website's general settings, such as the title, description, and contact details. Next, you'll see the Pages tab, which lists all the pages the AI created for you, like Home, About Us, Services, Contact, and more. You can click on any of these to start editing them individually. Now comes the fun part, customizing your content. You can easily edit or replace sections such as the header, hero banner, About Us section, and more. The editor is drag and drop, so it's incredibly user-friendly. You can change text, swap images, add buttons, and adjust layout blocks with just a few clicks. Once you've made your edits and you're satisfied with how your website looks, go ahead and click on the Next button at the bottom right corner of the screen. That wraps up the initial setup, and now you're one step closer to launching your site live on the web. Now let's talk about the color section, which is a really handy tool for customizing the visual style of your website. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice a selection of color combinations. These are pre-made palettes that you can apply to your site with just one click. Each combination is designed to look professional and visually cohesive, so you don't need to worry about choosing colors individually. Just scroll through the available options and pick the color scheme that best matches your brand or the mood you want your site to convey, whether it's modern and sleek, warm and welcoming, or vibrant and bold. Right below that, you'll find the theme section. This is where you can change the overall design and feel of your website. You'll have options like flat, classic, and a few others. Simply scroll through the available themes, preview how they look, and select the one that fits your style the most. Now let's move to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you can interact directly with your website layout. Just hover your cursor over any text box or content block, and you'll see that it becomes editable. This allows you to easily customize the content by typing in your own text, changing headings, adjusting button labels, or inserting descriptions all in real time. Once you're happy with your content and layout, it's time to click on the Generate button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. At this point, 10Web will ask you to log in if you haven't already. Just enter your credentials or sign up quickly if you're new. After logging in, the platform will begin processing your request. This might take a moment, so give it a few seconds to load everything properly. And there you go, your custom-built website is ready. If you want to continue refining your site and making more advanced edits, simply click on the Edit Your Website button that appears on the screen. This will take you to the full site editor, where you can fine-tune everything from images and layouts to SEO settings and responsiveness. Now go ahead and scroll through the website and take a moment to observe how everything is laid out. You'll notice that the design is clean, modern, and easy to navigate, which makes it perfect for both beginners and professionals. As you scroll, you'll see all of the main tabs and sections displayed clearly across the top or side menu, depending on the layout you've chosen. Each tab is designed to open up a specific area of your website, whether it's your homepage, About Us page, services, blog, or contact section. When you click on any of these tabs, it will instantly load that part of your site, giving you a full preview of how it will look to your visitors. This is super helpful because it allows you to see the entire flow of your website in real time from one section to another and make sure everything looks just the way you want. Once you get a feel for how the website is structured, you'll be more comfortable editing or adding new sections, making your site truly your own. And that's how you can quickly build a stunning website using the 10 Web AI Website Builder, from choosing your design to customizing your content with just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on future tips and tools like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.